course, a part of a good QRP operation, the key part of it is the antenna. Basically, I have the station set up at a picnic table. Right now, no antenna connected to it. What I have here is a 10-ounce fishing weight, and under my foot and sort of stretched out towards the table and back again is about, oh, I don't know, 40 or 50 feet worth of line on the ground. And what I need to do is I need to get the line over a branch up in the tree here, so I can attach it to my antenna wire and pull up the antenna. So, and I've never had one of these come apart, so I've never broken a car windshield.
This may be the first.
Well, yeah. Now I have lost a weight or two up in a tree.
Okay.
That happens once in a while. But basically it's a matter of twirling it, going as hard as you can.
The first time, I don't believe it.
Of course it's the first time. And over a tree limb, down to over your picnic table that you want to operate from. Then it's a matter of just removing the weight from the end of the line. Attaching it to the end of the antenna wire. Since the nylon twine is an insulator, I don't need a separate insulator on this antenna installation. I just twist them together. I have the wire, or the twine running over the tree limb. I just pull it up. Pick a convenient tree in the distance here to pull the whole thing to. All right. And now, just have to sort of walk the twine around a tree here. And it doesn't need to be tied in place. It's only a temporary sort of antenna installation. So I just wrap it around the tree a couple of times. Neaten up the remaining twine a little bit. Set it down on the ground, and the antenna's up in the air.